Okay, we are headed up the garden, which has been hit by wind a lot, and that's why I have bits of cardboard everywhere. I also have bottles everywhere, but they're for watering. Don't panic, this isn't littering, not in that sense. Okay, so if we go in here now, I can actually open the door. So this plant looks pretty much dead. This is one of my favourites, and it looks like it's had it. Urgh. I am going to knock it back a bit, but it's the slug pellets that have killed it off. Kind of gutted. I'm hoping, because there's still a little bit of greenery in there, that it might survive, but I highly doubt it. My bicolour nemesia, see the two different colours? Oh, I can hear wildlife. No, I can't. I thought I could hear wildlife. They're coming up. Now, something I didn't show you last week because I only realised when I went. For those that remember, I did put a cover on some seedlings because they needed to be kept in the dark. Ta-da! Salbiglossis. Lovely. So it can now come out of the dark because it has germinated, and it is the only thing that has germinated. So far, I've seen nothing of my tomatoes on any of them. The only other one that's close, it's starting to come up now, is a sweet pea, which is nice. And I could have sworn there was another one that I saw possible beginnings of. No, maybe I was just imagining it. Maybe. Okay, so today I have got to sow my campanula, and I don't think these are going to grow, but I'm going to give it a go because I don't always give up that easily. I don't think that's got anything in it yet, has it? Nope. Okay, so I'm going to spin you around. And I'm going to, oh, here comes the wildlife up the garden path. Wildlife. Hi, wildlife. You come for a drink? Yeah, I'll change it when I've finished, if you don't mind. Okay, right. Anyway, let's get on. Sowing. Peat pepper and also the campanula. So plenty of soil to root into. Just pat it down, make sure the air's out of it. But I don't want it as a solid mass. I need it loose enough that the seeds are going to be okay. Now, with the campanula, that wants to be sown directly on the top. It doesn't want to be covered. It doesn't like the dark. I can't blame it. So just sow a couple on the very top of the soil, and that is to be kept moist and well drained. And then the Peter peppers also need to be kept moist and well drained, and I'm actually a week early for these, but They're going in. I'm going to put 2 in for me and an extra. So there's 3 in that pot of the Peter Peppers. And we're going to cover very, very lightly. Oops. There we go. Done. And that will stay actually over here and out of the way. Okay, so what else have I got to do today? Well, I do have to do some watering because everything needs a really good water. The lemon tree, there you go. The lemon tree is rather dry, so that needs a good go. And I'll give the rest a nice little sprinkle with the watering can. It's such a mess. I hate this time of year because it is such a mess in here. But it will get cleaned up. End of next month to April, when the other shelving comes in, and we'll go along there, and then there'll be space and I can work and all will be good. But that is it for today, apart from it's Wednesday. Something I do every Wednesday. Feed the birds. We don't feed the bean on a Wednesday. It's the birds' turn. But anyway, that's it. The wind has given a little bit of damage, but thankfully nothing major, which is really, really surprising. But that's how we're looking in there. That's how we're looking in there. And that's it. A nice quick video. I know. Okay. Right, better get watering.